Alright guys, and run this for Shane. He's got top spot, takes both Giannis's here, Draft Day and the Funko Pop. We're going to go live. We are live. 5:49 p.m. 5:49 p.m. We're going to grab the list. 12 spots. Dropping in a random. 12 entries. Kyle Snyder on the top and the bottom. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 3, that's not high enough. We're going to roll 2 dice again. And we have a 6. We're going 6 times. Good luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 times. Dice shows a 6. Next click wins. Good luck. And 6. Congrats to Alan. Spot number 6. You are the winner. Get in touch with Shane and get your baubles and the Funko. We are done. 5:50 p.m. We'll go back to the post. We will type done. We are done. 5:50 p.m. 5:50 p.m. Here's the timestamp and verification.